Future of law enforcement, cutting-edge police inventions. Imagine a world where crime fighting isn't just the stuff of movies, but a reality shaped by cutting-edge technologies. From intelligent drones patrolling the skies to smart body armor that monitors vital signs, the landscape of law enforcement is rapidly evolving. Join me as we dive into the realm of next-generation police inventions that are not only reshaping public safety, but also pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to explore the future of policing like never before. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Digital forensic software. Digital forensic software is a critical tool for law enforcement in the context of next-generation policing inventions. This software specializes in the collection, preservation, analysis, and presentation of digital evidence obtained from various electronic devices and online platforms. It enables investigators to uncover crucial information related to cybercrimes, fraud, identity theft, and other digital offenses. The role of digital forensic software extends beyond traditional crime scenes to encompass the complex digital landscape where evidence is increasingly stored and exchanged. It allows law enforcement agencies to reconstruct digital activities, trace digital footprints, and identify perpetrators. Moreover, it facilitates the extraction of data from encrypted sources, social media platforms, and cloud services, providing valuable insights that can support investigations and prosecutions. In essence, digital forensic software enhances the capabilities of police by equipping them with the tools needed to navigate and understand the intricacies of digital evidence. This capability is vital in combating modern-day crimes that involve digital technologies and ensuring justice in the digital age. Number 2. Virtual reality training. Virtual reality training is transforming police training by providing immersive simulations that replicate real-life scenarios. Officers can practice tactical responses, decision-making under pressure, and de-escalation techniques in a controlled and safe environment. This technology allows trainees to experience realistic scenarios that are difficult to replicate in traditional training settings, such as active shooter situations, hostage negotiations, and crowd control. By using VR, police departments can significantly enhance training effectiveness, as officers can repeatedly practice skills until they are mastered, without the risks associated with live exercises. VR also enables trainers to assess performance metrics, identify areas for improvement, and tailor training programs accordingly. Moreover, VR training fosters collaboration among officers by allowing them to train together in virtual environments, regardless of their physical location, facilitating teamwork and coordination in complex operations. Overall, virtual reality is revolutionizing police training by providing a powerful tool that enhances preparedness, decision-making, and crisis management skills among law enforcement personnel. Number 3. Facial recognition software. Facial recognition software is a cutting-edge technology that aids law enforcement agencies in identifying individuals by analyzing facial features captured in images or video footage. It operates by comparing facial data against databases of known faces, helping to locate suspects, verify identities, and enhance surveillance capabilities. In the context of next-generation police inventions, facial recognition software offers several advantages. It can swiftly scan crowds at public events or monitor CCTV footage to identify persons of interest, thereby bolstering public safety efforts. Advanced algorithms enable the software to handle variations in lighting, facial expressions, and angles, improving accuracy and reliability over time. However, the technology also raises concerns regarding privacy, accuracy, and potential biases in its application. Policymakers and law enforcement agencies are continually grappling with these challenges to ensure responsible and ethical use. Despite these challenges, facial recognition software remains a pivotal tool in modern policing, offering unprecedented capabilities in identifying suspects and enhancing overall security measures in communities. Number 4. Voice technology. Voice technology in policing encompasses various tools such as voice analysis and recognition software, transforming how law enforcement interacts with technology and processes information. Voice recognition enables officers to dictate reports hands-free, improving efficiency and reducing administrative burdens. It also aids in automating routine tasks like database queries and transcription, freeing up officers' time for more critical duties. Moreover, voice analysis technology assists in detecting emotional cues and stress levels in emergency calls, helping dispatchers prioritize responses. This capability can also aid in suspect interrogation by analyzing voice patterns for signs of deception or stress. Advanced systems integrate AI algorithms to enhance accuracy and adaptability, making voice technology a valuable asset in next-generation policing. However, concerns over privacy and accuracy persist, particularly regarding the storage and use of voice data. As these technologies evolve, balancing innovation with ethical considerations remains crucial for law enforcement agencies implementing voice technology solutions. Number 5. Robots. Robots are increasingly integrated into police operations, offering capabilities that enhance safety and efficiency in various scenarios. These next-generation machines can perform tasks such as bomb disposal, reconnaissance in hazardous environments, and providing real-time situational awareness. Equipped with advanced sensors and sometimes AI, robots can navigate complex terrains and interact with objects autonomously, reducing risks to human officers during dangerous operations. Moreover, police robots are equipped with tools like cameras, microphones, and even non-lethal weapons, enabling them to gather intelligence, communicate with suspects or hostages, and assist in apprehensions. Their ability to operate in environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans makes them invaluable assets in emergency response situations. However, concerns arise over the ethical implications of using robots in law enforcement, including issues related to accountability and the potential for misuse. As technology advances, balancing these concerns with the benefits robots offer in enhancing operational capabilities remains a critical consideration for police departments adopting robotic solutions. Number 6. Drones. Drones are revolutionizing policing by providing law enforcement agencies with enhanced aerial surveillance and operational capabilities. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging technology, and sometimes facial recognition software, enabling them to gather real-time intelligence and monitor large areas efficiently. In next-generation police inventions, drones play a crucial role in various applications. They can be deployed for search and rescue missions, traffic monitoring, crowd control, and securing perimeters during events or emergencies. Drones offer a cost-effective alternative to manned aircraft, allowing for more frequent and sustained aerial surveillance without risking human lives. Moreover, drones equipped with advanced AI algorithms can autonomously detect anomalies or suspicious activities, providing early warnings to law enforcement personnel. As drone technology continues to evolve, addressing these challenges through responsible deployment and regulation is essential to maximize their benefits while mitigating potential risks in law enforcement operations. Number 7. Smarter cruisers. Smarter cruisers and next-generation police inventions are equipped with advanced technology to enhance operational effectiveness. These vehicles integrate real-time data analysis, communication systems, and predictive analytics, allowing officers to receive crucial information promptly. They support decision-making by providing insights into crime patterns, traffic conditions, and situational awareness. Additionally, smarter cruisers can streamline administrative tasks through automated reporting and data management, optimizing officer efficiency in the field. Enhanced connectivity enables seamless coordination between vehicles and headquarters, facilitating rapid response and tactical coordination during emergencies. Overall, these advancements in vehicle technology empower law enforcement agencies to adapt quickly to dynamic situations and improve overall public safety outcomes. Thanks for watching. Today, we explored the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of law enforcement. From digital forensic software to drones and AI-powered robots, these innovations are revolutionizing how police agencies operate, ensuring safer communities and more effective crime prevention. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest advancements in technology and society. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive deeper into the exciting world of innovation and its impact on our daily lives. Remember to hit the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Until next time, stay safe and informed. Thanks again for watching.